Good up there, Dossers. Today we're going to be making sweet and sour sauce, just like a Chinese shop, authentic Chinese takeaway sweet and sour thick sauce. So what we need is 6.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of any tomato sauce, a half a teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of water, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. We've got a pot there to put it in. Pot there to put it in. In here we got corn flour. This is 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, and we've made it nice and dissolved. Right, you have to excuse my pan because it's had a few scratches on it from when my daughter was younger, and we left her to wash up. That's my excuse anyway. Okay, so let's rock and roll. Right, here we go then, let's get the ingredients in. So here's our 6.5 tablespoons of sugar going in. And then our 3 tablespoons vinegar. And then our tomato sauce. Any tomato sauce. Should have put it in a bigger pot, shouldn't I, really? And then we'll get most of it out. Yep, we've got most of it out. A little bit of salt. Our water. And then our soy sauce. Little fishy of soy sauce. Little dishy, my little fishy. Right, give that a nice stir around. Okay, so bring it to the boil and then simmer. What we want to do is keep it stirring while it gets nice and bubbly. So it's just a case of keeping it going, keeping it stirring, keeping it sort of bubbling, not too much. Don't want to boil it, just keep it simmering. That's the key, Dossers. Now the sugar's dissolved, just add the corn flour. And then give it a stir and keep her simmering quite rapidly. Alright, now let's just stir it up. This will thicken it right up. Heat I've still not got. See, on my oven the numbers have all come off over the years. This is 20 years old, believe it or not, this cooker. In fact, it's older than that. It's 27 years old. Now, when you keep stirring like this, all of a sudden it'll start to thicken up really quick. There we go, that's it. There you go. It's thickening up now. You can get away with just one corn flour. This makes it really thick. You can see that going up now, thick and up. As quick as that. And there, take it off the heat. Take the heat off. Give it a nice, real good stirring. Like that. I think we're going to need a bigger boat. So we'll get the You can always freeze. I don't know if you can freeze it now, actually. So, as you can see, that's look at that lovely consistency. And so, if you don't like that thick, just use 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. So there you are, Doss's authentic Chinese takeaway sweet and sour sauce. Now get out of my sight, Doss's.